Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vinyl plank flooring that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Art3 Keel and Stick Vinyl Floor Tiles in Taupe Ash. This product is ideal for those who are looking to revitalize smaller spaces like kitchens, dining rooms, or bedrooms. Each pack contains 30 tiles that measure 12 by 12 inches, providing a total coverage of 30 square feet. The compact design makes it a great choice for smaller projects or for creating unique accents within a room. The build quality here stands out. With Art3's high-quality vinyl offering, not only durability but also comfort. These tiles feature a rigid surface and a robust core, guaranteeing 100% waterproof and fireproof performance. The scratch and abrasion-resistant properties ensure that the tiles maintain their appearance even in high-traffic areas. Additionally, the easy peel and stick installation process means you don't need to worry about adhesives or professional help. However, because this product covers a smaller area per pack compared to other options on this list, it might not be the most cost-effective choice for large-scale projects. It's best suited for smaller spaces or DIY enthusiasts who appreciate the straightforward installation process. If you're looking for comfort, warmth, and an affordable way to enhance a smaller area, this one's a solid pick. Next up at number 4 is the NAACOO Universal Floor Installation Kit, which is a must-have for anyone planning to install vinyl plank flooring. While this isn't flooring itself, this kit includes everything you need for a smooth installation process: a double-sided tapping block, a pull bar, 40 wedge spacers, and a rubber mallet. Whether you're working with tongue-and-grooves or click-lock flooring, this kit is engineered to handle it all. What sets this kit apart is its versatility and robust construction. The tapping block features 3 different thickness edges, allowing it to accommodate a wide range of flooring thicknesses. The pull bar tool is made from premium 45 kilogram steel and is designed for tight spaces, making it perfect for challenging areas like corners or closets. The rubber mallet, with its non-slip grip and dual-face design, ensures that you can work efficiently without damaging the floor planks. This kit is an excellent investment for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its universal compatibility and thoughtful design make flooring installation significantly easier and more precise. However, it's worth noting that this is a complementary product and not flooring itself. If you're looking for tools to make your installation process a breeze, the NAACOO kit is essential. The third spot goes to the Art3D Interlocking Luxury Vinyl Flooring Tile in Venice Ash. This product is perfect for homeowners who want a hassle-free flooring solution that is both durable and reusable. The innovative interlocking design eliminates the need for adhesives, making installation clean and simple. Each pack contains 18 tiles measuring 36 by 6 inches, covering a total of 27 square feet. What makes this flooring stand out is its exceptional durability. It features a wear-resistant UV layer that protects against daily wear and tear, ensuring your floors look great for years to come. Additionally, the tiles are 100% waterproof and fire-resistant, making them suitable for high-moisture areas like kitchens and bathrooms. The interlocking system also allows for easy disassembly, making the tiles reusable and eco-friendly. On the downside, the smaller coverage area per pack might not be ideal for large-scale projects. However, the reusable nature and high-quality construction make it a smart investment for residential and commercial spaces. If you're looking for a stylish, safe, and sustainable flooring solution, this one checks all the boxes. At number 2, we have the Art3D Peel and Stick Floor Tiles in Rosewood. This product combines practicality with style, offering a gorgeous wood look finish that adds warmth and elegance to any room. Each pack contains 36 planks measuring 6 by 36 inches, covering a generous 54 square feet. This makes it a fantastic option for larger spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, and even RVs. The rosewood finish is both stylish and timeless, while the rigid surface and hard core ensure durability. Like other Art3D products, these planks are 100% waterproof, fireproof, and resistant to scratches and abrasions. The peel and stick design makes installation incredibly easy, even for beginners. Plus, the wide application capabilities allow you to use these planks on walls, ceilings, or cabinets, with the addition of liquid nail glue. While the peel and stick method is convenient, it may not offer the same longevity as interlocking systems in extremely high-traffic areas. Nonetheless, the combination of coverage, style, and user-friendly installation makes this product a top-tier choice for anyone looking to transform their space quickly and affordably. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Art 3D Peel and Stick Floor Tile Vinyl Wood Plank in deep gray. This product is the ultimate combination of style, durability, and ease of installation. These 6 by 36-inch planks come in a pack of 36, providing a generous coverage of 54 square feet, making it ideal for larger spaces like kitchens, living rooms, or offices. What makes this product stand out is its superior build quality. The rigid surface and hard core ensure exceptional durability, while the wear-resistant and scratch-proof properties make it a great choice for high-traffic areas. The deep gray finish offers a modern, sophisticated look, and the authentic wood grain texture adds depth and character to any space. Like other Art 3D products, these planks are 100% waterproof and fireproof, ensuring safety and stability over time. The peel and stick design makes installation a breeze, even for those with no DIY experience. However, the adhesive backing may require careful preparation of the subfloor for optimal performance. If you're looking for a premium vinyl plank flooring option that combines style, durability, and ease of use, the Art 3 Deep Gray Planks are the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.